everyone, this is Priyasha Das from Crackzat and this is yet another video on GD tips only because I am getting multiple queries. अभी बहुत लोगों के GDPI rounds चल रहे हैं तो I am getting these queries, so I am making a small playlist of these queries only. So what to do if you are not well aware of the GD topic? ये तो बहुत common सी बात है ना, बहुत common question है कि हो सकता है कुछ ऐसा GD topic दे दिया जाए जिसके बारे में हमें ज़्यादा information नहीं है, तो उस सिनेरियो में हमें क्या करना चाहिए? In that case, make sure that you are very good listener. Okay, you need not start the GD of course because you don't know much points about it. So in that case what you can do, let others start, and when others start the discussion they will come across with points. Now you have to be an excellent listener in this case. So what you would be doing is आप उनके बोले हुए sentences में से कुछ keywords उठाओगे. Like suppose कीजिए कि they are talking about moonlighting and you don't have any idea about what moonlighting is, but जब पहले वाला बंदा कुछ मूनलाइटिंग के बारे में बोलता है एंड कोई एग्जाम्पल देता है या कोई डेफिनेशन सॉर्ट ऑफ देता है कि दूसरा काम करना कम्स आउट एंड देन दिस इज कॉल्ड एज मूनलाइटिंग, तो उससे दूसरा काम ऐसे कुछ सिमिलर रिलेटेड वर्ड्स, आप उन वर्ड्स को उठाकर आप अपना कुछ एडिशनल पॉइंट दे सकते हो. इससे भी खराब सिचुएशन की बात करें जब आप उस रिलेटेड वर्ड्स के बारे में भी कुछ अच्छे से नहीं सोच पा रहे हो, तो इन दैट केस continue with agreeing that person. See, this is the worst scenario, okay, but then continue agreeing with that person and say that I agree with Mr. ABC, whosoever it is who said these first lines, and then you can say that I also believe that this can happen and try to cook up an example for yourself. तो उसने जो भी definition दी है moonlighting की for example, आप उसको अच्छे से समझो और उसके basis पर एक example दे दो. That's the safest way to go out in the GD round where you don't have lots of informations about the GD topic, okay, but this is something you should use at the end. So make sure you are updated with the current affairs so that GD round will become an easy task for you. All the best everyone. और ऐसे कोई भी queries हो तो please use the comment section below. आप वहाँ पे comment drop कर सकते हो and I would definitely reply back, or if it's a long reply I'll make a video on that. Thank you so much everyone. All the best.